What's going on, my Silver Knights? It's your boy, the King of Silver. Now, what I'm about to show you is solid silver with rose gold over it, fully iced out Maxx truck. Now, let's take a closer look on the detail. This is the flash test. Here's the stamp. Now, the one thing I will say is that they should have polished this before they sent it out. But I'll go to my local jeweler and they'll take care of business on this. Once again, this is the flash test. Now you know what time it is. Time for the neck profile. This is how it looks sitting around my neck with the Harlem bling Gucci / Cuban link chain. This is the flash test. Once again, this is the flash test. Now that you see that around my neck, here's another closer look, of the matte truck. And I got this piece from a place called Universal Jewels. And for everybody that's been watching my videos, keep your heads up and let no one hold you down. Now here you go, fellas. I'm just playing again.